Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Graphics through CAD Laboratory. Viva questions on Experiment 1. Draw the simple geometries like polygons, circle and semicircle in AutoCAD. Question number 1. Which AutoCAD command is used to create a new drawing? Answer. New command. Our shortcut key Ctrl plus N. By using this command, we can create new drawing in AutoCAD software. Question number 2. Which command is used to draw a straight line? Answer. Line command or shortcut key L enter. Here the line means the shortest distance between any 2 points. By using line command we can draw the horizontal lines, vertical lines and incline lines. Question number 3. What is the command used to create a circle in AutoCAD software? Answer. Circle command or shortcut key C enter. Here we can construct the circle by using radius or diameter in AutoCAD software. We can also create the circle by using 3 points, 2 point and tangent radius circles. Question number 4. Which command is used to copy objects? Answer. Copy command or shortcut key CO enter or CP enter. Copy means to create the duplicate objects in AutoCAD software by using copy command. Question number 5. Which command in AutoCAD allows you to offset parallel lines or curves? Answer. Offset command. You can see the images. This is the parallel lines, this is the parallel curves. Here you can create the parallel lines. Uniform parallel lines are specified distance between any two lines. Question number 6. What command is used to set up drawing units? Answer. Units command or shortcut key UN enter. In AutoCAD software, different types of units are available like millimeters, inches, centimeters, kilometers, etc. Question number 7. Which command in AutoCAD is used to measure distances and angles? Answer. To measure the distance by using distance command and to measure the angles by using angular dimensions. Answer. Shortcut key for distance DIST enter. Shortcut key for angular dimensions DAN enter. Question number 8. What command is used to create an array of objects? Answer. Array command. Shortcut key AR enter. To create the multiple objects in the matrix form or polar form or specified path form in AutoCAD software. Question number 9. Which command allows you to increase the thickness of the selected elements? Answer. LINEWEIGHT command shortcut key LW enter. This tool or command is available in the properties toolbar. By using this command you can increase the thickness of the selected lines or elements in AutoCAD software. Question number 10. Which command is used to change the type of line? Answer. Line type command shortcut key LT enter. By using this tool or command is available in the properties toolbar. By using this command we can change the line type like ISO dash line or ISO long dash dot lines, etc. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.